Renault has problem with electric on its own, so why would you buy electric Renault? You would not go anywhere. But you know what's the range? Nowhere.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Driveway Garage channel. Today is quite an exciting day. Zenek and I and another friend are on the way to Goodwood Festival of Speed. Probably one of the biggest car shows, I don't know if I can say in the world, but definitely across Europe. It's been a year or two since Zenek and I last were down there, so yeah, there seems to be some pretty cool stuff up there this year. So on our way now just to meet Zenek and Craig somewhere about, I don't know, halfway down towards Goodwood. We're going to meet up, grab some breakfast, and then head down. So yeah, see you guys when we get there. Hey guys, so just made it down about halfway towards Goodwood. Zenek with me here as well, and Craig just parked over the back somewhere. A few cars dotted around. Everyone seems pretty excited about it. Yeah, so we're going to head down the rest of the way, about an hour's journey left, and yeah, we'll see you guys down there. Cool, so we just arrived after sitting in traffic for half an hour or so. As you can see, it's pretty busy and the weather's looking pretty good. Craig and Zenek might have been smart to bring sun cream. What was it, Zenek? Half a tank to get down here? Maybe
yeah.
more.
Why I wouldn't buy electric Renault? Because Renault has problem with electric on its own. So why would you buy electric Renault? You would not go anywhere. But you know what's the range? Nowhere. So we are just heading home. Bit of dinner for the way. It's been an excellent day. The weather was fantastic. A lot of hypercars this year. We even made it all the way to the top, past the rally stage. So that's cool. That never happened before. So again, something new. Do you think we've seen more than half end?
About half, yeah, probably, of what was there.
But
and even some of that not properly, just whipping around like real quick.
Yeah.
Past stuff, you know.
What's your main takeaway from this year of Goodwood?
Top tip: bring your own food because the food quality is shocking.
It is shocking, and it's not cheap.
And well, he said these noodles here.
Oh yeah.
That bad boy, £12 as well.
£12, yeah. So, you know, I would not mind to pay the price, but the quality doesn't come with that.
Yeah, not worth it. So yeah, bring packed lunch.
Yeah, that's probably a good, the best advice.
That's the top takeaway. Second thing, electric cars are starting to look a bit better, I think now.
Yeah.
They styled a bit nicer.
Definitely, they run some super decent times up the hill. So, and you know, petrol cars, struggle to keep up. So
Yeah.
definitely is the future. We can. Shmi is probably leaving now. That sounds sick.
I still got a soft spot for the old. You know that what's the fancy jewelry brand from France?
Cartier.
Yes. Okay. So the Cartier stand had some amazing old Ferraris like F40, F50, Enzo, even older like some from the 60s.
250 GT.
Yeah, just
impressive. Yeah.
doesn't matter how good electric cars get. You can't beat those kind of.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Agreed. Yeah. What do you think about the Subaru end? You know, the P25 or
Yeah.
whatever.
I mean, is it worth $500,000? No, probably not. But still, like a really nice looking car.
It is.
You'd have to have a lot of spare money to drop 500k on that.
Yeah, it's still just Subaru for £500,000.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm certain we will be back again next year. As we say every single year, next year for 2 days. Unfortunately,
Try to make it happen next time.
yeah, it's not going to happen, but you know, we can always dream. Anything else? What you were done?
I think that's it. See you guys on the road.
3, 2,